Well, hi guys, this is Wendy with W Ideas. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so the mailbox is something that we use pretty much every day. So check this out. This is like coming off the post. It's so sad. And also look at this back post. So there is no doubt we have to do something about this mailbox. But first, I have to go to the store to buy some stuff. And I was able to make the post fit in the car. Yes. Alright guys, let me explain to you what just happened here. I came home with my 4x4 wood, and then my husband was like, well, you know how 4x4 wood is actually 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And since we're building this huge metal garage, we have some spare 4x4 metal posts that are actually 4 inches by 4 inches. That means that we can slide the main post into the 4x4 metal post. So that's what we decided to do. We are going to use this 4x4 metal post. Well, not exactly this one, but you know, a longer one than this one, and slide it into the main post. And hopefully, if everything turns out great, we're gonna have a very strong, sturdy, awesome mailbox post. Okay, so Tom is done with the metal post, and now it's time to take this one down. Let's go. Ta-da! Good. Okay, it's time to change my clothes so I can start painting the post. By the way, this is what we're using, in case you were wondering. While the paint was drying, I went inside and I made some designs for the mailbox, which I cannot wait to show you because it's actually going to be bigger than the one we had. And because it's going to be bigger, Tom had to make a little plate for the mailbox to go on top of it. And we already painted it white. And we cannot find a plate that it was big enough for the mailbox that we were going to use. So it was very nice of Tom to make a new one. Thank you, Tom. I still need to apply another coat of paint, so let me do that, and after I'm done and the paint is dry, then I'll bring the mailbox. I forgot to tell you guys that before painting the metal post, I use mineral spirits to wipe it off. I'm inside now, I changed my clothes, and I wanted to show you very quick the difference between the old mailbox and the new mailbox we got. So this one is actually deeper, and this one is more shallow, but this one is about 6 inches wide, I think, and this one is about 12 inches wide. So this one is double the size than this one. And I am so excited because there's a lot of packages that they're gonna be able to put inside this one that they weren't able to fit in this one before. And now we won't have to worry about those packages being on the porch. Also, I'm going to apply the number on the front, and later I'm going to put our last name on the sides of the mailbox. But I wanted to tell you very quick that this is the vinyl that I'm using for the mailbox. It is a permanent vinyl from Paper Studio. And it is designed to go outside or to be outdoors. So this is going to be perfect for the mailbox. I really like the design. It looks very clean. And it looks even better now that it's outside. Last night it got dark very early and it was very cold, so we kind of just wanted to finish, so we didn't record the last part, but basically we drilled some holes on the base that Tom made for the mailbox, and then we attached the mailbox to the base, and then we came outside and then we attached both the mailbox with the base to the metal post, and we put screws, 2 screws in each side of the metal post. And the other cool thing that we did is that while I was out yesterday buying stuff, I went to Lowe's and I found this LED solar light, and I think it just finishes the mailbox post super well. The light was too small and I couldn't find any bigger lights that would fit the metal post because they are mostly designed for wood post. So we just attach it to a piece of wood, and I think it looks really good. I really like it. And because it got dark very quick and all that stuff, we got to see it light up. I also want to mention that it was super exciting to see the mail in the new mailbox. There is so much more space in this one and I really, really like it. I'm going to put the measurements for the posts that we designed in case you want to use them. I think you can use them whether you're using metal or wood, so I hope it helps you. The goal of this channel is to inspire you, and maybe you even have a completely different idea, but watching this video makes you want to do something. And personally, when my things or my house look better, I feel really good. So if you got inspired by this video, let me know and post pictures of whatever you did. Remember to like this episode and subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, you may want to also click on the bell so you can get notifications when there's a new video. And remember to do what you love because you may inspire others. Bye!